Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia and today I'm going to talk about Delta Module 3 preparation. Are you ready? Let's get started. So today there is no presentation or such. I think that there will be just an honest talk between you and me, and we will see where it will bring us to. So today I wanted to talk to you about what is the most challenging thing in Delta Module 3. The most challenging thing in Delta Module 3 was definitely making the choice, which is yours. Especially if you choose to do Delta Module 3 in the accredited center with the prep and also with some guidance, you can be easily distracted by the opinions of your peers or probably your tutors, and never over rely on what anyone else says. You know your context well. If you see that you are passionate about designing the course, then definitely go for it. But if you see that the management in ELT is something what is with the area of your interest, then go for it. In my case, I remember that I changed my mind a couple of times because first I was advised to go for HR because it was more predictable and something tangible. If I look back in time, I can understand why I was advised to actually take Delta Module 3 HR with the specialism of HR. Why? Because actually there is quite a lot of work which has been written so far, and you can see that there are a lot of articles and different books that can be used. Though, I started working on that and it seemed to be the topic that was within the area of my interest because it was relevant. I'm an entrepreneur. Back in time, I was already running my own business in ELT. And for me, it was really interesting and relevant. And I wouldn't say that I wanted to highlight one area, one specialism. I wouldn't say that I had some particular preference, which area I wanted to focus on. And as all of them were relevant. So when I was comparing the relevance of those topics, all of them seemed to be quite relevant, I would say. When I talk about HR, definitely there are many different things to mention, though I realized that actually that was not exactly the area of my interest. And that's also something what I would like to share with you guys. When you think which topic to go for, when you think about your specialism, think not only in context of how much literature is available, look at it from the perspective of what does it mean to you? How can you apply these skills in the future? Think about your future, think about your current interest, think about the perspectives and also opportunities on the market. And I would definitely go for the area which is interesting and which is in high demand. Because in fact, when we talk about ELT, it's important to see what is currently in high demand. If you want to run your own business in ELT, then different skills can be relevant, interesting, and also then you can see that you can most likely include them into your writing. In my case, I realized that marketing was at some point the area of not only my interest, but also it was the most relevant direction where I wanted to go. I wanted to deep dive into this. And I also was eager to research, even there was not so much back in time on marketing in ELT. So literally, I had to scrutinize different materials, books, articles, and mainly the research was based on my observations and also surveys that I conducted on my own with the audience that I was lucky enough to have. So, in short, what is the most challenging moment in Delta Module 3? I will definitely say making the right choice of specialism. And I would add making the choice that is yours, making the choice that is relevant to you. Because at the end of the day, you need to ask yourself, why do I want to do Delta Module 3? What is the main reason? Why do I want to do Delta Module 3? And I want to do Delta Module 3 in order to do what eventually? Do you want to flourish and thrive in your career and in this particular field? Or do you just take it because there is someone's recommendation? Maybe this is a very popular topic. My advice is, do not over-rely on anyone's opinion. Listen to it, but eventually make your own choice based on your qualifications, the context you are working in or would like to work in, and the opportunities on the market. Think about opportunities on the job market so that the specialism that you choose can help you in your new career endeavor. I wish you good luck. If you're currently considering preparing for Delta Module 1, 2, and 3, you're more than welcome to one of my courses, and also you can find some useful workbooks in the description down below. I wish you good luck and see you in my upcoming videos. Bye!